Let us start creating our new project right away. Step 1 is for you to install a Drupal. I have used Drupal 8.2.6 and you can take any latest stable version. Step 2 is to change the site name and slogan. You can do that from this configuration admin menu, basic site settings page. Step 3 will be to install and change the default theme. I recommend that you first research suitable themes as a practice. I have used a theme called as Mayo. You will have to download the theme, extract and place it in this themes folder correctly. Then visit the appearance page. You will find the new theme showing up here. Click on install and set as default button. After the theme installation, go ahead and customize the theme as you wish. A logo image is available in the section download resources and you can use it. I have actually used the same logo image as favicon also. It is possible in this case. Mayo theme's speciality is that it is very customizable, so explore it completely. It is very colorful with about 30 preset color scheme options and individual colors are also customizable. The color preset that I have used is the sepia. Scroll down and from the font settings, I have used larger fonts set at 100% and the base family that I have used is sans serif. In this style settings, I have used rounded corners for both blocks and nodes and it looks great. Scroll down. In this advanced header settings, you can actually select a watermark that will show up in the header. I have used this flower setting. And when you are all done, save and return back to the site. So when you have done all of this, there will be a radical visual change to your site and it should now look something similar to what you see here. Next, with step 4 comes the important part of our project, creating the taxonomy. First, open the project design notes text file. You have to create 7 vocabularies. You will see the full listing of vocabularies and their terms in this file. This is the vocabulary name and these are the terms. You have to create them all one by one. The URL alias for each term is given in this angle bracket. This from here to here is the term. So I will now create the first vocabulary. Meal type is the new vocabulary and appetizers and snacks is the new term under it. This is how you create a vocabulary and a term. Also note the URL alias to be used for each and every term is shown in this angle bracket in the text file. It is very important that you also create every term's URL alias. This is a ready reference for you and we will use it later during menu creation. Remember that. Now, if you do not create URL alias, you can still use the default node URLs created by Drupal. This is an optional field. However, you will be hurting the SEO capabilities and the user friendliness of your website and also the aesthetic value of your site. So always remember to use the URL alias given by Drupal. Now, when you are completely done creating the taxonomy, it should look something like this. Of course, this tags vocabulary comes pre-built with Drupal core. These 7 we have created now, and all of them have got their terms also built in. If you have done everything correctly so far, we will continue in the next lesson. If not, take this opportunity to review earlier lessons or ask queries on the Q&A section of the course. Please don't forget to include screenshots when asking questions, or else it will be difficult for me to debug. So see you in the next lesson.